Hey everyone, thanks for being here. Welcome to this. This is the Maximizing AI Workshop sneak preview. Can't go through the whole thing, sorry. But I will talk about how it's an online version is at the end. There's like a way to get involved in that. And there's a live in-person one as well. So it is for non-techies, for business owners without the hype, because oh my goodness, hype. So much hype. Special thanks to 1 Million Cups, CSU, Rockwell Hall, you guys are amazing. And my attorney in the room, Brian. We're working on some private stuff I can't share. It is intense, but I've got a good guy by my side. So definitely check him out. What do we do at this workshop? What do we learn? How do we do it and enjoy it? So we talk about the history, the why, the what and how, the AI blueprint, outpacing your competitors with 7+ AI tools that we renew. Every time we do a live workshop, we renew them because it's so fast right now. What do you walk away with? You walk away with people like yourself. Think about you're going to go there and they're going to guinea pig and learn with you. I'm all about new stuff, but not gimmicks. I'm about guinea pigging, data testing, trying it on yourself until it works to what you want. Because everyone's being thrown in the face with AI, okay? It's just how it is. It's my little family. I'm a South African, hence the accent, and we mentioned that in the beginning. And then my office is downtown Greeley. We are a web marketing studio that focus on sales psychology and AI with a human touch. It's as simple as that. We've been doing it for 10 years, hyper successful. We've been able to get there through people and relationships. I've been able to meet Kevin, Tim Story, Marcus Lemonis, Nick Sarancento, actually one of the awesomest people you could ever meet. But they've all changed my journey and changed it in such a positive way, and I encourage that for you. So when you go through things, you need to step out, right? And a lot of it's, yes, there's compliance. We'll talk about that. I go through that. I've worked through compliance issues, and this is part of it. So what do you feel? Oh, tech, the time, the fear of AI. It's going to destroy me. It's going to take my information. It's going to do this, going to do that. It's not as powerful as you think, and it's always goes back to humans. We talk about that in the workshop. What have we done with AI? So with a marketing campaign, we 14,000. A portion of that went to DJM, a portion of that came from Highline Motors, and we grossed $1 million in gross revenue. So take into account that's not expenses and stuff. Special thanks to Ayed Zali, he can vouch for that. Amazing entrepreneur, but he's willing to step out. Even if his head gets chopped off. Okay, that's a bit of extreme. Even if, like in Australia, when you stick your head out and they bring you back down to this society, right? He's willing to do that. Those are the business owners who succeed. They're willing to take risks. Here's Ayed on the bottom. I can't show you all the campaigns and stuff, obviously. We've done it for luxury real estate. We've done it for all kinds of industries. And the numbers vary for every industry. Okay, let's go to this. I don't think everyone's going to hear this, but I'll play a quick clip. Partner with a company. Your vendors and your partners are so crucial. But we have a license for this. Think of it as like an AI assistant call center. We've done 20 iterations, spent like 2 or 3 months to get it to this place, and now we have a thing called WebGate AI.
Hey, Dallas.
Who's this?
It's Stacy from Denver, Colorado with DJM.Design. I see that you reached out to us. Are you still looking for help with your project? Do you remember that?
Yes. Well, I just did it like 5 minutes ago. I didn't think it was that fast.
Haha, yeah, we like to move quickly and provide prompt assistance. So I'm glad to hear that you're still interested in getting help with your project. Just to let you know, I'm an AI artificial intelligence assistant calling to book a strategy session with one of our human strategy experts. Are you open to booking a free session?
Yes.
Fantastic. What is your current time zone so I can match that with the appropriate times?
Eastern time.
Just to confirm, your time zone is Eastern time, right?
Correct.
Great. It looks like we have a few available times for the strategy session. We have Monday, March 25th at 5 p.m. EDT, or we can do it today, Thursday, March 21st. Which time works best for you?
Monday.
Perfect. We have you scheduled for Monday, March 25th at 5 p.m. EDT. Would you like to do this meeting as a phone call, Google Meet, or Zoom call?
Phone call.
Got it. We'll set up the strategy session as a phone call. I'll lock in that time for you.
So take into account that was a very quick clip. There's more to the thing. She filters it, talks to her, filters her. Cold outbound on this is illegal. Don't do it, okay? No one wants to be called by a mortgage company. We're all getting it already, okay? Identify where your sweet spot is and then come to the workshop and expand on that. Are you a DIY owner? Are you an outsourcer? Are you a big boss employer? Big bosses, bring your marketing director. The marketing director that came to our workshop, They're the owners who partner with us, did the licensing for that AI. It's got a knowledge base. It can change script. Doesn't have to stay on the same thing. It can send emails. It can do text messages. It is, like, think about how much time I spend setting appointments. So much time in the team and everything, right? So we think of AI as like nitros to the engine, not the engine. It's just lubricant. It's just, we're still the benefactors, right? So keep that in mind. We went so deep, my wife and I got an AI tattoo. Just joking. It's our wedding anniversary. But she said, babe, when we were developing the workshop, she's like, look at it. If you turn it upside down, it's AI. So I was like, no, crap, okay. No, just kidding. Well, here's my thing. Are you okay if I offer you something today? Is everyone cool with that? It's quiet. I need one yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. If not, we'll be done. Now, this is the back-end portal of the online workshop. Sticker shock is coming. Be ready. It's $46, once off, lifetime access. I'm not trying to upsell you. I'm not trying to go crazy. The in-person one is $99. I'm doing an early bird right now. It is live and online. Like, the original one is running. And it's 3 hours. At one point in the workshop, we break out into groups and you partner up. We walk around the room this way, brainstorm, walk around the other way, brainstorm, eat delicious food, do Q&A. Someone picks one tool. You pick one tool at the event. And I'm like, you need to do that for a month. If it sucks, cut, go to the next one, until you have something that's actually increasing your efficiency by 20%. That's the goal. So yeah, this is the open Q&A session. And then, let me stop on this one. I have a minute, so I'll share this. If the 49 bucks is still too cheap for you, you can do a BOGO tea combo. I'm like the guy in New York, right? Like, which one? But no, I'm trying to make it easier for you, okay? I'm not gonna run this for a very long time. Probably like the next few days, and we'll do another AI workshop, later in the month. This is the original. There's more on our merch store, but if you buy one, you get another shirt, right? It's not about the shirt, because you get access to an add-on mini course. And the add-on mini course is how to get 3K leads a year in a specific way, okay? Anyway, that is the presentation. Appreciate you guys, and curious about questions on the workshop. I can't share all the secrets, sorry. But let's talk about it and let's go.
Great, thank you. All right, so.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.